helicopter shit going on. We have the helicopter doing loops. I don't know if I've got it on this one. I'm sure you can. There you go. Oftentimes when they're not happy with me doing something, like uploading videos or comments, they'll send this helicopter to do flyovers. Doors blowing open, so we got a storm going on at the minute. But yeah, they will send these helicopters. This is the police helicopter. They will send these over to harass and do circles around. Usually they'll just fly over the flat, but sometimes they've took it to doing circles and stuff around over the top. I think it's going now. But they time this to when they're not happy with me doing something.